Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Fun channel. Today I am going to tell you the easiest way to transfer WhatsApp data from one mobile to another. You can easily transfer your complete WhatsApp account from Android to iOS or vice versa. You can also transfer WhatsApp between two different iOS devices or two different Android devices. The process is same for all WhatsApp transfers. You can do this in just a few clicks by using the software iCare Phone by Tenor Share. You can download the iCare Phone from this link. You can find this link in the description of the video as well. I have already downloaded the software and have installed it on my laptop. Now I will show you how simple is the process. Let's launch the iCare Phone. This is the first screen. On this screen you have to connect your phones with the laptop. Connect both the phones, that is the source phone that has your WhatsApp account and the target phone or the destination phone where you want to transfer your WhatsApp account. Don't forget to enable the USB debugging mode from the developer options on both phones. You can check how to enable developer options and how to enable the USB debugging mode from Google, as it is different for every mobile. Here is an Oppo mobile. You can see the WhatsApp account that I wanted to transfer on the phone. This is my source phone. Now let's connect the target phone and enable the USB debugging mode on this as well. You should have WhatsApp installed on the target phone, and you can create an account with any new number that you will need to change at the end to your original WhatsApp account number. You can see on this WhatsApp account that I have no chats in it. Now before you start the process, make sure that you have the right selection of source phone and the destination or target phone. My source phone is Oppo and the destination phone is Qmobile Z12. Now click on transfer button. You will see a message that WhatsApp data on the destination phone will be overwritten. Click on yes to continue the process. Now on this step you need to take the backup of the data on source phone. Go to settings. Chats. Chat backup, and then click on the backup. It will take some time to create the backup. After completing the backup, click on the continue from the iCare Phone application. Now just sit back and wait. iCare Phone will copy the files from the source phone and transfer all the files on the destination phone. It will take some time, that depends on the chat backup size on your source phone. That's it, the process is completed, and now you see a message. It says that you must log into your WhatsApp account with your original WhatsApp account number on the target phone. It will delete your previously installed WhatsApp account on the target phone. Install the WhatsApp Messenger app again. And log in with your original WhatsApp account number that you were using on the source phone. During the login process, click on Restore button so that your WhatsApp backup can be restored on your new phone. Here you can see that I have all the WhatsApp messages and images on my new phone. And my old phone is asking to verify the WhatsApp account again because I logged in on another phone with the same number. So this is all for now. I hope you like the video as the process is very simple and easy. You can download the software from the link mentioned in the description of the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel Mobile Fun and click on the notification bell. If possible, share this video on your social media accounts, and if you want to ask any questions, you can ask your questions in the comment section under YouTube video, or you can ask the questions on our Facebook page as well. Thank you.